Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to clear the cache in the browser Safari. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down to Safari. Open it up. Scroll down to the bottom here. And we'll find Advanced and we'll go here. At the top, we click on Website Data. And this is where we get the cache from our Safari websites. I have very little because I clean it regularly. You might have 1 GB, someone might have 2, someone might have more. In order to clean it, you can select any of these sites, and you can swipe right and hit delete. As you can see, I've cleared my cache. If you want to clear it all, you press Remove Now and delete the cache completely. Now go in. As you can see, I got 0. That's how easy it is to clear all the cache on your iPhone or iPad Safari. If you enjoyed and liked this video, you can be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, write a comment. Thank you all for watching. Share it with your friends. Goodbye.